Welcome back. In a major development from the national capital, Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing has launched a case against one of India's leading coaching institute chains, FIITJEE, over allegations of cheating and financial misconduct. The action comes after 190 complaints from parents following the abrupt mid-January shutdown of a FIITJEE coaching centre in East Delhi, leaving students in limbo. On the back of this, an FIR has been registered under multiple IPC sections against FIITJEE, but this issue isn't just restricted to Delhi, by the way. Similar complaints have surfaced from the institute's centres in Ghaziabad, Noida and Bhopal, raising concerns over a larger financial scandal. In order to fast-track the probe, a Deputy Commissioner of Police has been appointed to oversee the case, with reports also suggesting that FIITJEE's Director Dinesh Kumar Goyal and other officials may soon be summoned for questioning.
Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing has registered a cheating case now against the coaching institute FIITJEE. Currently as well, we are reporting from the FIITJEE Institute in East Delhi at the Preet Vihar Centre, and from this centre alone, police has received around 190 complaints from the parents of students studying here when this coaching centre suddenly closed on the 21st of January this year. On your screens, you can see how the entire coaching centre is deserted. Only the lights and all, and only security guard is really stationed at this particular coaching centre in East Delhi. Now remember, this case pertains to a number of chains of FIITJEE shutting down in mid-January across Delhi NCR, in Maharashtra, in Uttar Pradesh, as well as in Madhya Pradesh. Now, the Economic Offences Wing of the Delhi Police has been probing this particular case since February, when the complaints were only 35. The number has now risen up to 190. The police has subsequently registered a case under Section 420 for cheating, 406 for criminal breach of trust, and 120B for criminal conspiracy at the Economic Offences Wing police station. We are on the 5th floor and the entire area is deserted as of this morning as well. Now remember, already action has been taken against, and a number of FIRs have been lodged in Ghaziabad, in Noida and in Bhopal by the respective police stations. As so far as the FIITJEE management is concerned, they have been saying that this is in fact the conspiracy of vested groups, that it is the centre's management that have been insufficient in their operational processes, and that is why the closing down of centres occurred at multiple locations across the country.